Hello, this is Anja, and I would like to give you some smart tricks for your business in relation to blogs and pinging. As you know, to achieve high ranking in Google, what you need to do is build a lot of properties, Web 2.0 properties around the keyword phrase you want to rank for. So typically you would go and create as many blogs as you can. There are services out there, but if you want to do some stuff for free with this pinging, here is something which will save you a lot of time. So again, what you have to do, what the goal is, as you might know, is creating backlinks to your main website. So the website you want to have traffic driven to, which is your affiliate site or your money page. This is what I mean by the main website. You want to create blogs including the keyword phrase you want to rank for with your main page. And this 5, 10 or more, 20 or as many as you can create blogs will link back to this main site. Now, to have these blogs rank in the search engines, you have to ping them. So how to do massive pinging and trigger massive traffic in a smart, time-saving way. This is the topic of this video. So pinging means telling the search engine spiders that your blog or website has been updated. So whenever you create a new blog or update it, you should do pinging. Now, what you have actually on almost every blog, you should see this RSS feed icon, and when you click on that, this is where you get your RSS feed link that you need for pinging. Now, once more, many blogs means lots of traffic and backlinkings to your main website. The pinging tools or pinger tools that you can use, the most recommended ones are those that I have listed here, Ping-O-Matic and Ping-Goat. Like I said, there are also paid services. Those here are free. And this is where you want to post your RSS feed. Now let's move on. Many blogs, lots of traffic. This means you should be pinging your site each time you update your content, but not more than once a day. So if you're updating your blogs maybe daily, please don't do it more than once a day. Now people are asking, if I have 10 or more blogs per keyword phrase, must I ping every single site? Where simply, yes, you absolutely do have to. And there is where the problem starts. If you have 20 blogs, for example, for 2, 3 or 4 opportunities or affiliate programs that you're promoting, it can be a lot of work, because it would mean that you would submit your RSS feed to the pinging tools like Ping-Goat or Ping-O-Matic for about 40, 50 or even 100 times a day. So here is the smart time saver and solution I want to show you. So you either go to Google and Google for Pipes Yahoo, or you take those two links. You type this link, actually here the short one, pipes.yahoo.com, works as well and takes you directly to this one. But this is the appropriate link, the complete link. And this is the tool we are going to show now. This is the tool that we will use to merge several RSS feed links into one link only, so that you can save a lot of time. So go on, create a pipe. Then here on the left side, go on the menu and take the fetch feed. You can drag and drop it, which means you go on the fetch feed, left mouse click it, press the left mouse button and just drop it here. And then a window opens up where you can enter your URL, which will be the URL of your RSS feed from your blog. Now for a quick example, and for those of you who might not know, let's just go for any example, any blog here. You're always looking for this little icon, the RSS feed, and this is the link I want to take. So assume this is one of my blogs, let's say. Then you just have to go on this icon, right mouse click it, and go on copy link. Copy link. So you don't even need to open it. Then open Notepad notepad or editor or whatever it is, just to copy this link in here. Then let's move on to the next blog. Let's assume this would be another of my blogs. Do the same thing. Find this RSS icon, right mouse click and go on copy link. Again, go into Notepad, copy it here. Then let's assume I have a third blog. Let's assume that would be mine. Again, go on the RSS feed, copy link, paste it into your Notepad. And then you do this for several of your blogs. And this is how you fetch all of your RSS feed links. Might be 5 or 10 or 3, whatever it is. Now I'm going to take the first of my copy paste my first link, put it in here. And then you see this little plus here beside the URL. And there you can add another space for the next link. So I'm going for the next one. Again, right mouse click, copy. And here right mouse click, paste. Add another link. Same story. Copy, paste. And the fourth one here for the demo. And I have to add one more line. And so now I have 4, or like I said, it can be of course more. And then just connect this. Now this is the creating of the pipe with this pipe output here below. And then you go on save here on the top. Give it a name. So this is just for example purposes. Let's say online marketing, whatever. Save it. And then what you have to do not forget, this is very important, run pipe. First you save it and then you go on run pipe. And now that we have done this, here is the feed for all of those links we added. So this is how you have created, or actually merged, several of your RSS feed links into one. And now I want to get the RSS feed, the one unique link for all of this. And this is here. You go on more options, click on this little arrow here, get as RSS, click on that. And there you go. This is now the RSS feed containing all the content from the RSS feeds that we merged. You see, it's a lot of stuff, and this is all united under one single link, and this is this link above. So this is your new merged RSS feed. So this one you're going to copy, right mouse click. And now, just to save it somewhere, this is the complete link for all of those above. This is how you merge links with the pipes.yahoo.com tool. Now from here, when you have this, now you can go to work and go to Pingomatic, for example, and here you enter the feed we just created, this merged feed, put it in here. Here you can give the blog a name. Let's say again, online marketing, and this is supposed to be the keyword you want to rank for. And the home page, here you can put the main website you want to create the backlinks to. And then you just select all these services, uncheck or check, and I will leave out the last ones, and then just go to send pings. So I'm not going to do this right now because this was just an example and this is not my site, so I'm not going to do that. But this is all you have to do. This is how you can do your pinging in a much shorter time, much more efficiently and very quickly, by merging all of your blog links into one, by using this nice little tool. Watch out for the next videos where we'll be doing some more stuff, some additional stuff with this newly created merged link for even more time-saving traffic techniques. And the third video will be about the question, what do I do if my site is not a blog, if my content is on a site and I don't have an RSS feed? How do I ping that site? Thank you. Bye-bye.